Welcome friend. In today's lesson of grade 4, that is Roman numbers. Today I am going to tell you about the Roman numbers. We all know the numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and so on. We can write that also. The numbers in the Indian number system and the international number system, they are written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. But when Roman number comes, the writing method is little different. So how can we write the numbers into the Roman number system? So here in this lesson we are going to learn about the Roman numbers. So first of all, we have to write the numbers in Indian or international numbers. And secondly, I am making the column of Roman numbers. You can see I have made the two columns. One is of an Indian number system and another is of a Roman number system. So I am writing here the numbers from 1 to 5. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, how do we write these numbers into the Roman number system? For that, the Roman numbers, for 1, it is indicating as capital I of English alphabet. So, it is denoted as I. For the 2, it can be written as 2. For 3, the Roman number is like this. This is 1 in a Roman number system, this is 2 and this is 3. For 4, we have to write one standing line or I and capital V. This is 4. And for 5, it is written as only V, that is capital V. So, this is the Roman number system. Roman numbers 1 is written as 1, 2 is like this, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5 in the Roman numbers. Okay, so Roman numbers are written in this ways. Now, I can teach you more from the 6 to 10. So, once we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number, we can start with the 6 also. So, this is a 1, that is a capital I, the 2, 3, 4 and 5 in the Roman numbers. In the international number system, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, 9 and 10. But when we will write this into the Roman numbers, this can be written as, for 5 we know that is capital V. And for 1 we have to add in the V. So 1 in a Roman number, that will be a standing line or we can say that is I. So this is written as 6. This is the Roman number 6. For 7 again 5 will be as it is and we will add 2 more in that. This is 7. For 8 we have to add 3 more in the 5. This is 8. For 9, now the 9 number will change here. For that we have to write first, that is 1, that is I and X. This is Roman number. This is Roman number for number 9. And for 10, it will be capital X. So these are the Roman numbers like 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Dear kids, if anyone asks you how can we write 4 into the Roman number system, and I am writing 4 like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. If anybody asks me how do you write 9 into the Roman number system, for 9 if I am writing, this is 5 and in that I am adding 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Is this the correct method of writing the Roman numbers? No, because these are the incorrect numbers. These are not correct. 9 can be written as this only, and for 4 we have to write I and V. This is the correct 4 and this is the Roman number 9. Okay, so don't get confused while anybody asks you the question or show you is this a number 4 or like is this a number 9 or anyone. So you have to keep in your mind that they are having the different symbols for the Roman numbers. Okay, now the next numbers are, now we know for 10 we are writing X and for 5 we are writing V. So what about the next? Now in the simple numbers or Indian numbers, international numbers, this is 11, this is number 12, this is 13, this is 14 and this is 15. Now how do we write into the Roman numbers? For that 11, as we know 10 can be written as X. So for 11 we will add one more in that and this is number 11. 12 again the same X and 2 standing lines over there. So this is number for 12. For 13 again it is the same 10, 1, 2 and 3 lines. This is number 13. This is 11, this is 12 and this is 13. For 14 we know that is IV and for 10 it is X. So we have to add 4 into the 10. For 10 I am writing X and for 4 it is I and V. So this is number 14. You should not get confused in that. What we are doing here, we are taking 10 common. In that we are adding 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is 11, 12, 13, 14 and for 15 we can write X and 5. So this is 15. So these are the numbers 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. We have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the XXX. It means into the 10, 10, 10. So it becomes 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now beyond that the numbers are 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. How do we write it? Just see. Sixteen, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now for 16 again this is 10 and we will add 6 in this. So that is V and I. This is number 16. For 17 X and we will add 7 in that. This is the number 17. For 18, 10 and 8. In the 10 we will add 8. So we will get number 18. So this is the Roman number for 18. For 19, 10 will be as it is and we will add 9 into that. So we get number 19. And for 20, 10 and we will add one more 10. So we will take 2 times X. So we will get number 20. So just pay attention. For 16 we will write 10 plus 6. This will be 16. This is 17. This is 18. This is number 19. And this is number 20. Again, if I have question for 20, if I am writing 5, 5 and 10, so you will ask me, is that the correct method? So of course it is not, because even in an international number system, if I want to write 11, I cannot write like 10 and 1. This is also wrong. So there are the particular notations for the numbers. We will write only that for the Roman numbers as well as into the Indian number system. So this is number 16, this is number 17, this is 18, this is number 19 and this is 20. Okay, on the basis of that, here is the time to solve some exercise. Write Roman numbers for the following. And I am having number that is 5, 7, 13 and I can write it's a 20. So how do we write these numbers? 5 will be written as 5. For 7, this is the answer. 13, 10, 1, 2, 3. This is the number 13. And for 20, it will be X and one more X. So these are the notations for, or the numerations for 5, 7, 13, 20 into the Roman numbers, that is a 5, 7, 13 and 20. Now we can solve the next question. They may ask question vice versa also, like if I give you the Roman numbers and I am telling you to convert it into or to write it into the international number system. So the next question is, write the following numbers in Indian numbers system. And I am having numbers that are you just don't have to get confused. So what are these numbers are? We can say this X is a 10 and this is 4. So this is number 14. This is again the number 4. This is the number 6. And this is the number, X means 10s and V means 5. So this will be 15. So this type of a questions will come into the exams. Now one more question is there. State it's a true or false. We can write tick, correct and this. Okay. For correct we have to tick this. For wrong we have to cross it. So I am having the number 15. I am writing in this ways. Sorry. Now you have to say whether it's correct or not. So this is number 15 and I wrote it as X and V. Yes, it is very correct. So this is written into the Roman number 15 as it is. For 17, this is 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is this the correct number? No, because 17 can be written as X, V and I. That is 17. So this is not correct. This is the wrong number. This is 10. Yes, X is a 10 and 15. 5, 5, 5. Can I write 15 in this method? In this ways? No, because 15 can be written as X and V. So this is the correct notation for the 15. So this is all about the Roman number system. So you have to be very confident and very clear with the Roman numbers, that we will not write the Roman numbers like this or like this. We will not add that. So this is the correct form to write the Roman numbers. Thank you.